Imagine a world where nature survives because AI keeps the planet breathing.
A technology once feared becomes the intelligence that restores life from the ground up. Neo-Terra begins where our old solutions reach their final limits.
Here, AI and nature move as a single harmonic ecosystem.
This is the dawn of a world reborn. Earth reached a threshold where traditional green solutions simply couldn't keep up.
Humanity needed more than repair. It needed a new foundation for survival.
Neo-Terra emerges as a blueprint for a fully regenerated planet. It begins with a simple idea: harmony, engineered instead of forced.
In Neo-Terra, nature isn't protected. It's empowered to evolve stronger.
AI designs ecosystems the way nature always intended, but faster.
Forests rebuild at a pace once impossible, without intelligence guiding them. Every sunrise marks another cycle of renewal across Neo-Terra.
Rivers return, reshaped with precision to nourish entire regions.
What was once chaos becomes a world designed.
It's not a new world. It's Earth rebuilt with deeper intelligence.
For the first time, the planet starts healing itself.
This is the world humanity was meant to grow into. A new chapter begins under Neo-Terra's rising light. AI redesigns ecosystems using patterns borrowed directly from nature.
Forests are shaped through precise cycles of light, moisture, and soil health.
Rivers follow optimized paths that minimize erosion and maximize life. AI restores damaged landscapes by stimulating organic regrowth.
Neo-Terra's architecture imitates natural structures at every scale.
Energy circulates in closed loops, inspired by biological systems.
Nothing is wasted. Materials return to the cycle with flawless precision. AI calculates ideal biodiversity for each zone in real time.
Agriculture evolves into hyper-efficient living ecosystems.
Food grows in harmony with climate, rather than fighting it. Natural storms are stabilized using atmospheric AI resonators.
Climate extremes soften as AI redistributes heat and moisture globally. Each region develops its own ecological identity, guided by AI.
Animals follow safe migration paths lit by intelligent biolight.
Biodiversity is balanced dynamically using quantum ecological models.
Water systems purify themselves with crystal light filtration.
Even oceans move in patterns designed to prevent ecological collapse.
Destroyed habitats revive in days instead of decades.
Air becomes visibly cleaner, reshaped molecule by molecule. Soil repair happens from within, using intelligent mineral formation.
Plants communicate through AI-stabilized root networks.
Entire regions signal their health through natural luminous indicators. The planet becomes a coordinated symphony of ecological balance.
Wildlife health is monitored without disturbance or capture. At night, the biosphere glows with signals of balance and renewal.
Agriculture becomes self-regulating and endlessly sustainable.
Heat waves dissolve before they threaten life.
Rain falls only where it's needed, never wasted, never destructive.
Forest fires lose intensity as energy disperses harmlessly.
Migration routes become safe, predictable, and perfectly guided.
Even oceans heal with life returning in luminous clarity.
Pollution becomes a memory, disassembled at the molecular level.
Large-scale balance is restored through synchronized planetary pulses.
Weather patterns follow intelligent pathways that avoid destruction.
Endangered species recover through ethical revival protocols.
Every life form becomes part of a protected global library.
Pathways are shaped to preserve land, rather than carve through it.
Neo-Terra becomes a planet that breathes in rhythm with itself.
Air purity is maintained through microscopic light-based drones.
Guardian towers ensure no biome collapses under pressure.
Cities evolve into living ecosystems rather than concrete machines.
Ancient rivers return to their original life-giving paths. Night ecosystems communicate through waves of bioluminescence. Vegetation density adjusts dynamically for perfect balance. The hydrosphere becomes Earth's cleanest system in history.
Life forms receive gentle cues, not control, to maintain harmony.
Neo-Terra becomes the first fully synchronized ecological planet.
At this stage, Neo-Terra reaches full ecological alignment across continents.
Floating biomes appear where nature thrives better above the surface.
Rivers expand intelligently, finding routes that maximize life.
Mountains gain microclimates that preserve ancient species. Each ecosystem becomes part of a single living interface.
Water quality reaches the highest levels ever recorded on Earth.
Forests stay healthy through continuous biome-supporting waves.
Urban shelters adapt to human needs while blending seamlessly into nature.
Earth becomes a living circulatory system of energy and regeneration.
Animal migrations become synchronized with climate and terrain.
Quantum greenhouses optimize every stage of plant evolution. Nature recovers faster here than anywhere in Earth's history.
Biomes receive continuous health scans to prevent collapse.
Every species contributes data to keep the planet balanced.
Forests breathe in harmony with the atmospheric cycles above.
Earth gains protection layers that neutralize harmful radiation. Disasters rewind as terrain reconstructs intelligently.
Marine ecosystems evolve under patterns that ensure survival.
Cities repair themselves the same way forests heal after storms.
Food grows in self-sustaining forests, designed for abundance.
Even the smallest ecosystems carry world-changing intelligence.
Neo-Terra learns every second, becoming smarter with every cycle.
Years of recovery unfold in the span of days.
Human life merges seamlessly with the ecosystems around it.
Neo-Terra becomes a single interconnected organism.
The planet reaches its highest state of ecological perfection. Neo-Terra begins to think, not as a machine, but as a world.
A living planet, reborn, intelligent, and ready for the future.